I see corporate America today changing dramatically. People are looking today for an opportunity that can change their lives. And there's no question that prepaid legal is that opportunity. And when I joined prepaid legal, my interest was only to build an extra few $1,000s in additional income on a part-time basis. But I recognized then, after a while, the big picture. In my third year in prepaid legal, I was able to generate over a $1.2 million income working out of my house. And the lifestyle that's been able to come from this is just absolutely astounding. I've been married now for nearly 41 years to my lovely wife, Beverly. We get a chance to work together out of our home. Of course, we also have the fortunate ability, because of prepaid legal, to have a beach home down in a little South Carolina island. It's very famous, where we enjoy a lot of our time. So freedom is very important to us. And with that, you can do so many great things. You can be with your children, your grandchildren, which we spend a lot of time with. There's legacies in life everybody wants to leave. One is your good deeds and the good works that you do. But secondly is the legacy of cash flow for your family. I was able to build up over $2 million plus residual income in prepaid legal. That's a business model that continues on. And my sons and my grandchildren will have the opportunity to receive those residual incomes, because it is a book of business. And that book of business, as you're building, is also a sellable business. If I wanted to put it up for sale, I'm sure there'd be many takers out there that would love to have some serious cash flow coming in on a residual basis. There's not many business models that can do that today. So take a look at prepaid legal, take a deep look at it, and when you do, I think you'll find what I found a number of years ago that changed my financial life forever.
Well, coming from my real estate background, my brother and father and I, we had a large family-owned real estate company in Maryland, D.C., and Virginia with over 24 offices. And I was in my 20s, I was making good income, but I had absolutely zero time freedom. You know, the great thing about real estate is you go out and sell a house and make a bunch of money. But when you stop selling houses, you stop getting paid. But with prepaid legal, we sign somebody up for the service one time. You get paid a huge upfront commission, but you get paid a lifetime residual income for the life of that membership, month after month, year after year.